The beginnings of colder air coming in on a westerly breeze this afternoon. Some gusts over 20 miles an hour. Those will stay up with gusts over 25 miles an hour tonight, tomorrow, and into tomorrow night before gradually winding down later on Thursday. This is the beginnings of some colder air. Now, as you will notice here, the colder air is not going to last as long as the system that came through last week with gusts over 40 miles an hour. We will not see wind to that length, but you'll notice that temperatures do start to modify a bit as we approach the holiday weekend. Temperatures between 35 and 40 on Saturday. The areas of light snow and snow showers continue up through the White Mountains and the Great North Woods. A couple of passing flurries at any point across southern New Hampshire as we continue to wring out any sort of moisture left in the air. This will continue to dry things out and cool things off going forward with highs in the 20s both tomorrow afternoon and into Thursday afternoon. We start modifying those temperatures going forward by Friday. That will be with partial sunshine, temperatures in the 20s to lower 30s with a lighter breeze out of a southwesterly direction. And then we go in toward the weekend, and we will likely have two systems over the course of the holiday weekend to track. The first will be an approaching front after highs between 35 and 40 on Saturday with a thickening of clouds. Some areas of light rain and light snow will be a possibility late Saturday or Saturday evening. Area of low pressure will try to develop along that front later Saturday night, and after a break on Sunday, there could be some light snow Monday.